Welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing some of the most striking successes from my Irish garden this year. It's been quite an interesting season weather-wise here in Ireland. We've experienced these dramatic swings between warm sunny spells and weeks of heavy rainfall. The garden's response has been amazing, bursting into waves of superabundant growth with two spectacular flowering periods, first in May and then again in late August through September. One of my absolute favourite success stories started with a stroke of luck. When a fellow gardener was doing their autumn cutbacks last year, they offered me some Lavatera cuttings. In our south-facing garden with its well-drained soils, the plant has absolutely thrived. It's been one of the year's standout performers. Speaking of Lavatera, we picked up some stunning white variety called Ice Cool at a plant fair earlier this season. I'll admit I almost forgot it until it suddenly flowered. It's an annual, so I'm now on a mission to save its seeds for next year. It's just too pretty not to keep around. Nature sometimes has the best design ideas. Take this self-seeded erysimum or wallflower that's tucked perfectly under the Lavatera. The colour combination is super pretty. Other flowers growing successfully here are Japanese anemones, which bloom in August. Agapanthus, which comes out in June and July. And daylilies in May-June. As we move into late summer, the sedums have taken centre stage. They're not just bringing wonderful colour to the garden, they're a favourite pit stop for our local bees. You know, I've learned that successful gardening is really about listening to what nature is telling us. It's about observing which plants thrive and which struggle, and then working with that knowledge. I'm certainly no expert, but I'm learning and improving as a gardener. I hope you enjoy this tour of what went well this past summer in my Irish garden. I appreciate you. Thanks for watching.